Well, while we're focusing on that parking lot sale and the free item weekend, they also dropped ITC member deals for June. These deals expire on July 2nd. So let's take a look at a few of them. I've pulled the BAUER and HERCULES items here, and we'll take a look. Got that BAUER 20-volt cordless string trimmer. This is a tool only. Member deals for $39.99, down from $54.99. Got the BAUER 20-volt cordless pole saw, tool only again, $69.99, save 22%, down from $89.99. How about a nice HERCULES 15-amp, 10-inch compact table saw with a rack and pinion fence? So that's a nice extension there for $319.99, down 60 bucks. Next, we have the BAUER automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine. Saves 70 bucks, down to $329.99. You got that miniature BAUER 25-foot drill-powered drain auger. I actually have one of these. It's worked well for me. It's not long enough in all cases, but just for a short length clog, it does the job. $24.99, saves 16%. How about a bench grinder with LED lights? Down to $39.99 from $49.99. Here's a nice BAUER 14-gallon wet dry vac, down to $99.99, save 20 bucks. A very nice steel folding sawhorse, 600-pound capacity, $19.99, save 20%. Here's another drain cleaner or a clog breaker upper. I know y'all like that. 23-foot automatic handheld. This has got the power already on it. You don't have to hook your drill to it. $79.99. Here's a nice BAUER 17-inch variable speed drill press with a light. $429.99. Saves 70 bucks. Next, we have that HERCULES impact rated hex shank socket driver set. These are very handy. You should have them in all your toolboxes because you never know when you just want to run a drill onto something or the impact driver. $5.96. That is a great deal. Like I said, you can buy several and put them in various spots. Next, we have that HERCULES 3-amp 5-inch orbital palm sander with the soft start. Save 25%, down to $44.99. Here's a very nice floor blower. If you need to keep stuff dry, or heck, they'll just keep you cool. Save 16%, $74.99, down from $89.99. Here's a very nice 23-pound SDS type demolition hammer. It's of course a plug-in. $249.99. Save 50 bucks this month with your ITC membership. I say this month, in June. I think it's valid now as well. Next, we have the HERCULES 14-amp 1 7/8, also SDS. It's a variable speed rotary hammer with maximum vibration control. Save 100 bucks on this one. $349.99. What a deal. Here's that HERCULES 11-amp 5-inch deep cut speed bandsaw. It is variable speed. $149.99. Save 30 bucks. Here's the BAUER variable speed belt sander. Save 14%, down from $49.99 to $42.99. Some very nice step drill bits. Black oxide, 12 steps and 11 steps. $19.99, save 33%. BAUER's 1.2 amp corner detail sander, very nice sander, $19.99, save 28%. Here's you a nice BAUER tool bag. It's got 6 pockets, $7.98. $7.98, that is a deal. HERCULES spade bit set, pick them up for $9.98 with your ITC membership. BAUER benchtop router table, down to $109.99, save 30 bucks. Here's some more step bits. These are the cobalt step drill bits, 13 step, 6 step, and a 10 step, $29.99. So that goes from 1/8 to 3/4 of an inch. HERCULES 40 grit stripping drum for surface conditioning tools, $24.99. Here's a nice 14-inch segmented diamond blade for $69.99, save 22%. HERCULES 1700 watt, 14 amp, 108 degree temperature, high output heat gun, $44.99. HERCULES 18-inch tool bag for $17.99, it's down 28%. BAUER's 20-volt caulk and adhesive gun for $32.99, saves 17%. Here's a Hercules 20-volt brushless, cordless, 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher and sander. This is the tool only. $79.99, save 11%. Hercules 8-inch heavy-duty professional bench grinder, down $30 to $169.99. It's a very nice tool. Here's the Hercules circular saw beam cutter attachment. You can save 25% this month's sale, well, June sale, $59.99. Hercules hook and loop detail sanding sheets. This is a 5-pack. Pick them up for $4.94 a piece. BAUER sanding belts, $4.98. Says starting at $2.97, but the member deal is $4.98. That's interesting. Hercules crimped steel wire drum for surface conditioning tools, $24.99. Here's a variable speed close quarters drill. Pick that thing up for $39.99. BAUER sanding belts, $4.98. Here's a buffing drum for your surface conditioning tool, $24.99. So also this month, inside track, all fast and strong nails and staples are going to be 20% off. All WD-40 products are going to be 20% off. So hope you get out. Hope these have helped a little bit. I'll try to go over some of the other items. I try not to make the videos too long, so I do break them up somewhat. And if you'd rather see them all at once, let me know. Let me know how I'm doing either way, good, bad, or ugly. I answer the comments. Until the next video, please like and subscribe, and y'all take care.